Welcome to Multisport at-home workout series. It's your boy Milo. Today we're going to be teaching you a brand new TikTok challenge. Now this challenge is called the Robot Challenge. Now this is what it looks like. Alright, robot comes from a style called popping. Now this style really needs you guys to use your tummy muscles and really tense your body really tight, okay? Now the first move, we're going to start with our feet apart and our hand is going to come up. So it's going to go 1, 2 on 3, hands are going to come up, it's going to go 3, we're going to drop it down 4. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Now first move, it's going to go right, left, right, left. Now to do this, starting off with your right elbow, elbow is going to come out to the side, it's going to go right. Then we're going to use our left elbow, it's going to go left. Right hand's going to come up, it's going to go hand, hand. Just like that. Let's try it. So it's going to go right, left, right, left. Now that's going to be fast. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's try it like that. 5, 6, right elbow, go. 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect. Now on 4, all we're going to do, we're going to turn our head over to the side. It's going to go 4. So all together, what that looks like, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's try that all together. 5, 6, right elbows, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Let's try that from the top. 5, 6, hands go up. 1, 2, 3. Elbow, elbow, elbow. 1 and 2. Perfect. Now, the next move, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Now, I want you guys to look over towards your right. Now, by doing this, what you're going to do, you're going to pick a little spot to look at. Now, we're going to turn our body, but our head is going to stay there at the same time, okay? So we're not going to turn like this, because it doesn't look like a robot. So when you guys turn your head over to the side, pick a little spot to look at, and we're going to turn our bodies. We're going to keep our head there while turning our body. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and look. Now we're going to turn it for a few counts. It's going to go 1, 2 on 3. When we stop, we're just going to do a little shake. 3, just like that. Okay. So let's try it from the elbows. 5, 6, elbows, go. 1, 2, 3, and head. Turn, shake. Perfect. Now all we're going to do, we're going to use our upper body. So our lower body is going to stay still. All we're going to do, we're just going to lean forward. Keeping our head on that spot, it's going to lean forward. It's going to 3, 4, just like this. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. And when we drop, same thing, we're just going to do a little shake. 4, just like that. Okay? So let's try it from the top. 5, 6, elbows, go. 1, 2, 3, and head. 1, 2, drop. 3, 4. Now this is where the end counts are going to come in. So it's going to go end. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So on the first end count, all you're going to do, elbows are going to extend just like this, okay? So while we're here, it's going to go end, and now we're going to pretend like we're sitting on a chair. So it's going to go down, boom, and we're going to shake it again, just like that, okay? So elbows from here, elbows are going to come up. It's going to go end, dropping down 3, shaking 4, just like that, okay? So let's try it from the elbows once again. Ready? 5, 6, elbows, go. 1, 2, 3, and head. Turn, shake, and drop, drop, shake. Elbows out, elbows, drop, boom. Perfect. Now this is my favorite bit. This is the most trickiest bit, but I have complete faith in you guys that you guys can do it. Now all we're going to do, we're going to keep our body on the same part, just as we are. So our head's going to look at our pinpoint. Our body's going to move, but our head's going to stay in the same place, just like that. Now this is going to be on the end count. Now to finish it off, our head is just going to turn over to the side. Just like that, okay? So let's try it from here. So body's going to turn, and turn, and you guys guessed it, we're going to finish off with a little shake, just like that, okay? So let's try it from top. Ready? 5, 6, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, and head. 1, 2, drop, 3, 4. Elbows, elbows, drop to the side. Head, now, boom. Finish it off, last few moves. All it is, we're going to lean forward. It's going to go 1. We're going to go back to our starting position. 2, finish it off. It's going to go 3, 4, and it's going to melt down. Just like this. Okay, you guys can melt down any way you want. I like to go towards my right, but you guys can melt down like this. You guys can melt down to the side. It's completely up to you guys how you guys melt down. So let's try it from the top all the way to the end. So this is from the elbows coming up. Ready? Coming up on 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and drop. Elbows out. Elbow, elbow, hand, hand, head. 1, 2, dropping down. 3, 4, elbows, elbows, drop. To the side, and head, lean forward, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop. Perfect. Now, before we try music, what we're going to do? A little bit faster. This is the most trickiest part. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, elbows out. Elbow, elbow, hand, hand. 1, 2, dropping down. 3, shake, elbows out. 1, 2, to the side, and head, lean forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Superstars, you guys are looking like amazing robots, but it's time to try with some music. So can everyone look to our DJ? Say, yo, DJ, drop that beat. Here we go. Getting ready. Elbows out. And elbows. Head. Dropping down. Elbows out. To the side. Leaning forward. Superstars, you guys are looking amazing, but I think we can try that one more time just for good luck. So everyone look to our DJ once again. Say, yo, DJ. Say, drop that beat. Here we go. Hands up. Awesome. And you guys just completed our robot challenge. Now we want to see how you guys do it, so feel free to post this on TikTok, tag us at our Dancefever account, but we'll see you guys next time. Thumb pinky, take it easy, boys and girls.
Thank you for working out with the Dancefever Multisport team. We're making new episodes every day, so be sure to check us out here tomorrow. If you like this video, please comment and share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment below to tell us what you want to see next. You can find our videos on our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and our new account on TikTok. Stay safe, stay active, and we'll see you tomorrow.